In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into ChatGPT on your computer. So if you are finding it hard to access ChatGPT, let me show you how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open any browser and then type in ChatGPT just like this. And you'll see here we have quite a number of pages, but you might not see a direct ChatGPT page. As you can see, we have here OpenAI page. This is where we can access ChatGPT. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and open this page. From here, you can see now we have ChatGPT here. Now, the reason why you are seeing OpenAI is because ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. Now, if you go ahead and click on ChatGPT, now this will go ahead and take you to ChatGPT homepage where you can now just click or tap on Start Now. And now here you will be able to access ChatGPT homepage. From here, go ahead and sign up or log in if you already have an account. So if I go ahead and log in because I already have an account, I'll choose my login method, which is Google. I normally log in with Google. You can also choose, if you normally do it with your email, you can as well do the same. And now here I'm logged into my account. I can see all my chat histories are available and now I can begin to chat. Now, alternatively, instead of going to OpenAI here, you can simply scroll down here and you'll see this option called chatgpt.com. If you also go ahead and tap on this, it will begin from the start page that we were on previously. So if we tap on this, it will still get you to your chat page. Alternatively, you can just as well use this ChatGPT address, chatgpt.com, and it will take you direct to your chat page. So by following any of these methods, you'll be able to log into ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.